Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload profile picture on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three vertical lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on See Your Profile. Now tap on the camera icon right above your name. Select Choose Profile Picture. Now you can select a profile picture of your choice. Once you are done choosing your profile picture, tap on the Save icon at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully uploaded your profile picture. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.